Morning, everyone. I am installing the Yakima LockNLoad system onto my 2020 Land Rover Defender. I had it on my truck before, but my wife was so nice in buying me the OEM ladder, which I just installed on the passenger side of the car. For me to load a lot of my gear, but that meant I had to shift from using the OEM crossbars to the Yakima Skyline towers. So I know that on Yakima's website there's not a lot of information on which parts to use for the landing pads on a Land Rover Defender, but through some reverse research I was able to find out that we would use a landing pad number 5. So we're going to be using Yakima landing pad 5 for this installation, and I'll try to go through it so it's pretty easy for everybody to follow and to install. Okay, so when you open the box of the landing pad 5, you're going to get 2 bags. One with a D fitment and one with a C fitment. And of course the landing pads here with the covers. So what I've been able to do so far is you gotta mix and match. So on the rail here, I got the pad on with the screws. So what I'm using for this project is the short screws from the C pack without the spacers with the D plates, which come with much longer screws, as you can see. But the roof rails on these factory rails, I guess you say, is too shallow for the long ones. So that's why I'm using the short ones. So I'll run you through that real quick. Alright, so as you can see here, here's the landing pad. What I find easiest to do is to just sort of put the screws through the plate already on the landing pad, and then you're able to use the gaps in the car to slide them in. Makes it super fast, super easy. I'm going to tighten them up, so let me show you how to do that real fast. So what we're going to do is just slide these into the channel here. And then when we tighten them up, as you can see, it just floats there. But as you tighten them up, you're going to actually want to turn these D plates long ways, sort of like that, and then it'll hook right onto the rail. So we'll tighten up, but what we'll do is measure them out so that way it matches the other side that I've already put on. Pretty easy. It takes no more than 2 minutes to do everything. It's just really the measurements and making sure it's all on the right place, and then we'll put on the Skyline towers. All right, we got the Skyline towers installed here. It's set back quite a bit. Not sure if that's what I like, but that's sort of what I have to deal with. It's fine, it looks good. It's sleeker. Luckily I've been able to adjust the light bar up to the top there. Anyways, the landing pad 5s are the way to go on the Defender 110. This thing is solid on there, no movement. So if you're looking to add the LockNLoad from Yakima, and don't know what to refer to on their website, you can use the landing pad 5. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.